Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is December the 17th, 2018. We're here to give you a video, very quick video about Tesla. We ran across this article explaining that they went ahead and sold $837 million worth of bonds backed by their auto leases. And that is the question that needs to be posed, is if Tesla is actually a very financially sound company, then why would they need to go ahead and sell almost $1 billion worth of bonds in order to increase their cash flow? Okay, this was an article that was written on December 14, 2018. We're going to go ahead and look real quick through this article, and then we're going to see what is going on with the price chart, because that's our purpose, is that we focus solely on the price chart, but we want to make sure that what we're reading on articles is actually translating over into the price chart. Okay, so you would expect, seeing an article like this from MARKETWATCH, that it kind of poses the question, how financially sound is Tesla at this particular moment? You can even read as a subtitle to this article that the deal is a bet on the electric car maker's customers as well as the company itself, because the thing about these bonds is that they are backed by auto leases. So the customers who are getting loans, who are leasing the Tesla automobiles, definitely needs to continue the monthly payments on those leases in order for the bonds to at least bring in the money that Tesla needs. Okay, if the customers fail and they become delinquent on the payment of those leases, then that would definitely hurt Tesla in the long run. So this is a bet for both consumers as well as the automaker Tesla itself. This is for the Tesla enthusiasts, those who really admire what Elon Musk is doing, which we do as well. Are you going to follow through with the actual auto leases of this particular car maker? Okay, let's go ahead and look at what else is going on in this article. You can tell that Tesla sold $837 million worth of bonds this past Friday, trying to take advantage of a rebound in investors' sentiment toward the company to provide further support to its fast-growing leasing operation. So it's very good to see that they are trying to be proactive into trying to sustain its fast-growing leasing operation. The decision to sell the auto leasing bond comes amid a spate of volatility in the debt markets and during a year-end period when many investors lose interest in buying new securities. The bonds, to a large extent, are more a bet on Tesla's well-heeled customers than the company itself. The bonds are backed by car lease payments from customers with very high credit ratings, along with expected proceeds from the sale of those cars when the leases expire. So what Tesla is trying to do is like 2 for 1 with these bonds. They are backed by the lease payments from the customers that actually lease these vehicles, and from the expected proceeds from the sale of those cars once those leases expire. So if Tesla is not even able to go ahead and if they're not able to resell the vehicles at a profit, or at least at a marginal price to the reasonable value of the vehicle, then that can also be detrimental to the actual value of the bonds itself. Okay, now, as is the case, as the article goes on to read, they're being issued by a special entity. It does not go on to state who the entity is. So we definitely need to make sure that they are protecting investors who are actually trying to support Tesla with the issuance of these bonds, who actually buy some of these bonds. So it doesn't go on to state who the entity is, but apparently they're there to protect the investors in the event of a bankruptcy by the manufacturer, which in this case would be Tesla. Okay, so article is very short, kind of goes on to throw more questions in the air for this particular car maker than answers, and that's why we're going to go ahead and look at the price chart at this particular moment. You're looking at a weekly chart now, and if you guys can remember, we did a video on November 21st telling you all that we wasn't expecting Tesla to continue to move to the upside. And let's go ahead and look at it on the daily price chart real quick, and we'll show you when we did that video. It was during this particular time. Right here is the bar that we told you that we wasn't expecting Tesla to continue to move higher. We said that it still can hold support right there at 330, and we got support relatively quick the following 2 days, and we still on the daily price chart are not able to break $370. What occurred in the market today continues to show you overall that Tesla is having a hard time to break above $370, even with the issuance of this $837 million in bonds. Tells you that we are not ready for the movement to the upside in Tesla. Okay, even amongst all the uncertainty in this space for the stock market can also kind of bleed into the reason why Tesla is down almost 5% today. Okay, so we just wanted to come in and show you all that the month of December is going to be crucial for Tesla. Okay, these last 2 weeks of the month of December is going to be crucial, and currently what we are looking at on the daily price chart is not positive for Tesla to continue to move to the upside. This has been our third opportunity of us come to $370 in or around that price, and we are still not able to break out to the upside. Okay, now throughout this week and next week, you definitely need to watch the market in Tesla, because if we're able to grab support above $330 once again, then we're going to try to $370, break it up to the upside later on in December, maybe even in the month of January 2019. But currently, I had to let you all come in and update once again that $370 is still a resistance area in Tesla. We tried it here on this particular day on the 7th of December, and we tried to hit it again, and we still are seeing sellers entering the market at that price. So this article can definitely try to insinuate the reason why Tesla saw almost a 5% decrease in price today. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion, but as of right now, I'm not feeling too confident that Tesla is going to continue to see an increase in price, but I am giving it a grace period of 2 weeks. The month of December can change my presumption right now, but as of right now of this price chart, it is definitely telling us that it is a lot weaker than it is stronger. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion, leave us a comment in the comment section. And if this is your first time coming and watching our particular video, make sure that you all subscribe, like, and share. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.